Hello there.
Hi.
I'm with the lovely Lewis Elsmer. Gathering video for the RantTank
camera shy.
Mr.Men RantTank Gathering. I know your camera shy, I just want to put the camera right in your face. Aren't I lovely, eh?
I'm a MILF in the making. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a DILF.
You're a Pardon?
I can't do puppy dog eyes. Like, you need to have brown eyes to do it, don't you? Like,
You can do PuppyDog eyes.
yeah!
PuppyDog eyes, PuppyDog eyes.
I can't do it.
Compose yourself.
You can do it pretty well.
Did you feel sorry for me yet? I really do. Good. Hello. Sorry.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hey.
Hello.
Hi. Take it off.
Grass hat. That is sexy, that is. Yum 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 yum.
I don't even know. Religion is like Barry.
Cassie fucking Grace.
It's the telephone in me.
Can you please stop singing that? DomCat. Oh God, that's adorable. Isn't it the cutest thing in the world? Look it. Meow. Oh, that's cute. Those two kittens I saw outside London Station. You're bringing us all down.
No, I'm sleeping, sorry.
You're going to get sunburned.
Oh no.
Yeah, keep doing it. Sorry, this girl just said to me, oh my God, I'm nearly as tall as you. I'm here.
I was on a hill.
I'm here. She is here.
I was on a hill.
Repeat, I'm here. She is here.
I was never good with maths.
Doodly awesome. With the camera and the super straightened hair.
It's horrible.
Sorry?
It's horrible.
Okay.
It's better than my hair.
It needs a cut.
You have hair.
I was in front of a judge and he said, "We've brought you here for drinking." I said, "Okay, let's get started." Did you know that statistically 132% of all people exaggerate?
I like that one. Walrus.
Hey. Anything else? Nom nom.
It's guy love, that's all it is. He's my armpits. There's nothing. I'm tone deaf.
Really? We'd never have guessed. I can't zoom out, I'm stuck in my chips.
How do you use chopsticks? That's a problem that many men have.
You're right.
Maybe get a splinter in the tongue to get you out together. How's your life fit?
Hey.
Hey.
Let's just stop.
Yeah.
Hello, darling.
It's a jack. I'll give us a 5 stars out of 5. Mr. Ood.
That's because a moment ago I tried to eat some of this and it kind of just trailed back into my mouth and all I could see was myself being an ood. Mainly because she told me I looked attractive. I would have been fine otherwise.
You were really attractive.
I looked like an ood. Is yours nice? Sorry. Nom 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 nom.
Not the weakest link. Goodbye.